The purpose of PCB edge plating is to create a conductive surface along the edges of the PCB, typically along one or more sides. This plated conductive material may be used for many functions, such as improved current carrying across multiple layers of a PCB, edge connection protection, board-to-case grounding, EMC, signal integrity, and heat management. Edge plating supports two modes of operation: wraparound edge plating and castellated holes plating. In this video, we focus on wraparound edge plating, which is used for creating basic side metallizations on board edges. Using the context menu, define a region by window, we simply define a region for edge plating. Alternatively, it is possible to align edge plate regions more precisely using Create Temp Section and Mark Region command. We create some split markers first. Using the Mark Section command, we can pick a section to be marked as edge plating. Now the edge plate regions are properly aligned. Let's check the connectivity. If segments overlap with objects from different nets on any layer, a DRC markers will be generated. As we can see in the upper left region, there are DRCs. Nets GND chassis and GND are being shorted. By default, an edge plating region shorting two or more different nets will generate a DRC. It is possible to assign the net explicitly, including the ability to define net shorts if required. Choose the context menu, assign net, pick the region, and assign the net. Multiple nets can be entered, separated by white space. We check connectivity again, and now DRC are gone. In addition to connectivity check, which ensures proper connections, a clearance check can be used to check required spacing to all other nets. Let's enter a value of 1.0 mm, run clearance check. Now a DRC marker will be generated, indicating a clearance violation from net A and T to the edge plate region connected to GND and GND chassis. Let's change the required spacing to smaller value. And check again. Now DRCs are gone.